is Jigsaw Puzzles with Thomas. I bought this puzzle at a local discount store. It's from Hinkler Play. It's 1,000 piece. It's part of their National Park collection. What it doesn't tell me is what shape the pieces are in. In other words, whether the random cut or standard cut. So I'm about to find out. They're in plastic bag here. I don't see a poster, so that's unfortunate, but let's take a look here. And good. So there are different shapes of pieces. Come in here real quick. They're decent size. And if you can see that, so some are the 2x2, I believe, the 2 in, 2 out, but then others are different shapes. They're okay thickness. They feel pretty stiff, pretty rugged, but not real thick. So I'll keep you updated.